So this is an Award-Session Duette, pretty much stock. I've got it on at the minute. You can hear the humming on there. Not sure if it's power transformer, but what's really interesting is that as this amp has aged, although visibly there doesn't appear to be any real defects or problems there, some of the resistors in the preamp, I think, yeah, the lead channel preamp have gone microphonic. So if I tap at it, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, you can hear that R24 is clearly microphonic. And also, these two green resistors are okay. I'm not quite sure which resistor this one is, but that one's also gone microphonic. I'm not sure if that contributes to the slight hissing and humming on the back. You can hear that very slightly as I tilt these wires. And these look like the original power filter capacitors. They visually look healthy. Not sure if they're leaky or not. But yeah, these resistors definitely R24 and its counterpart down there. You can hear it quite clearly. It's microphonic. Quite loudly microphonic actually.